Alrighty, I'm ready. Mondays were made for flat tires, let me tell you.
My mom's car, she got it last night.
Oh, yeah?
Do you have the lug nut for this car?
The wheel lock? No, ma'am.
Because they took it, we've already tried, no one has it.
Yeah.
It's in the car.
Yeah, I don't have the wheel lock. And I think you have to actually get those things cut off if you don't have the lock. However, I've seen a set at of wheel locks at like a Raleigh Auto Parts and AutoZone, but I'm not sure if it will fit that one for sure.
It's a lease, and they're just like spare tires in there with the jack and everything, except they don't.
Right. Can I see the jack real fast? Sometimes, believe it or not, man, they hide a bunch of stuff in these vehicles. The jack is down in here. Yeah. And no, that's just this is your crank to take the lug nuts off. And there's a part right here missing. I'm not sure if that's a part of it.
Well, my dad has the same car, and it also does not have that part.
Right. Let me see. Just to exhaust all possibilities. Make sure it's not rolling around down in here somewhere. Yeah, it's not down in here. Yeah, and I don't know why they even locked up that particular rim. I mean, it's not a, you know, exclusive high dollar rim, you know? Mind if I open this up?
No, go ahead.
Yeah, it seemed like they definitely would have gave you that. It's a first aid kit, but never know. It's kind of nice to give you a first aid kit, but let me see what's in here. Tables. It's a pretty nice little set, but they even give you a spare light. Yeah, this is like a brush cleaner. Like, give you everything but what you really need. Yeah, I'm so sorry.
I put a note, I mean, it's for the Nissan service, but I called you Sunday. I put a note, like, you need the lug nut.
Yeah.
And still.
Well, to make sure they get it right, I think the official name for it is a tire lock.
Okay.
It's a tire lock.
Is it that one bolt that's different than the other?
Yes, ma'am. So this one right here is like a lock key. And once I put it on the end of my tool, put that piece on the end of my tool and stick it in there, I'm able to turn that lug nut. But you can't turn it without that little key. Yes, ma'am. So yeah, I'm so sorry. Not much I can do about it. The only thing I can do is request a tow for you. However, you know, I definitely know a tow truck won't be able to get in here.
Well,
Yes, ma'am.
all right.
Yes, ma'am. So sorry about that.
No, it's all right here.
Yes, ma'am. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ma'am, thank you. You too now.